Today we'll start understanding the concept of sorting. Sorting is basically the arranging the cell or the numbers on the basis of some order. It may be ascending to descending, smallest to largest, or largest to smallest. Or sometimes in case of textual data, you want to arrange from A to Z or from Z to A. In a lot of many times we'll have to go for sorting, like in case of some marketing data, we'll have to sort the data on the basis of achieved target, not achieved target, highest achiever, the lowest achiever. We'll have to sort the data on the basis of the size of the product, type of the product, about the employees, ascending order, date of the birth. So there's a lot of times we'll have to arrange the data. Here we're going to understand the sorting on the three types: on the basis of numbers, on basis of the custom list, on the basis of color. So there are three ways of doing sorting. So suppose we have a data like this where there will be some serial numbers, first and last name of the customers who have ordered a product of a t-shirt, and they have done some kind of a payment method. Some of the customers, their payment method is showing the pending. It was yellow in colors because their payment was not made till date. So they have shown the pending. So this is the data is all about. Suppose I want to, a simple sorting, I want to arrange my data on the basis of the alphabetical order on the basis of the first name. So I'll just select this entire data and then I'll go to the option that is sort and filter, and there's an option called custom sort. There's a column sort by, on the which basis we'll have to go for sorting. In this particular dialog box, there's an option over here that is my data has headers. My data as headers means the data is having a column headings. So when we'll put a check mark to the my data as header means while considering the sorting, it will not consider the header row. It will ignore the header row and consider the rest of the data for the sorting. So we want this header row not be included in the sorting. So I'll just put checkbox button enabled over here. And then I sort on the basis of the first name, alphabetic from A to Z. So just click on OK. So all the names starting from A, B, N, similarly the data is arranged. And it automatically moves the entire data from the last name, t-shirt and payment method together with the first name. So the data is, there is no error in the data. It will not sort only the first name. It will representing all other columns are also sorting on the basis of the first name. Sometimes we'll have to do a sorting. Suppose I'll go for the sorting on the basis of the t-shirt size. So it will sort on the basis of the values which is there in the sorting list. Suppose I want to go for some custom sort, and this time I want to sort on the basis of the t-shirt size. So it will on the basis of the alphabet, like L come, then M, then S, then extra large. But I don't want this kind of a sorting of the t-shirt. I want the t-shirt size to be mentioned like small, then we have a medium, then we have a large, and then we have an extra large. This type of a sorting is known as, that is called custom sort. So how we are going to do this custom sort, you'll understand the concept. So when we select the entire data, go to this custom sort option. Here we have using the t-shirt size. There's a sort on. On the sort on, there are 4 options. So I'm going to select the values. And here on the order, there are number of options are available. I'm going to use for the custom list. So the custom list, I'll give the entries. Here it is enabled, that is new list. So I'll prepare my own list. On the basis of that list, the data is sorted. So I'll start writing. I want small on the top, then I'll want large, then I want after the small I want medium, then large, and then extra large, and I just add. So I have added this list. I'll just select on this list and then click on OK. So this particular column, that is t-shirt size, it is sorted on the values, and this time I'm not using A to Z or Z to A. I'm using my own list, that is small, medium, large and extra large, and then I just click on OK. So you will see when data is sorted on the basis of my own custom list, small on the top, then we have a medium, then we have a large, and then we have an extra large. But when we do the sorting, there will be some change in the numbers of the serial numbers. There's some change. We want the serial numbers would be sorted in consideration with the t-shirt size. So what we are going to do, that means I have to consider one more parameter together with the t-shirt size while doing the sorting. So how we are going to do? Select the entire data. I have the option. I've already selected my data on the basis of the t-shirt size, the custom list, which we have created our own custom list. Then there is an option of add level. I'm adding one more option, then it is called then by. Then by means first it will do the sorting on the basis of the t-shirt size, and then in the t-shirt size there would be sorting of the serial number. Suppose I am going to the sorting of small. In the small, the values would be arranged on the basis of smaller to the larger serial number. That is the concept of the then by clause. When we click on OK, it will place all the small together in this serial number. The values which is smaller in size will come on the top, and then numbers will be increasing in the serial number. So this means we have done the sorting on the basis of the t-shirt size. If there will be something common in this, then it will consider which small would come above. So here we want there will be all the smalls are there, but on the basis of the serial number, they would be placed. So that is a concept. That means we are using one more level in the sorting. So this is the sorting on the basis of the custom list with more than one criteria. Another option is sometimes we want the sorting on the basis of some colors. Here there are number of payment methods are there, but there are three particular customers who payment is still pending. We want that information must be highlighted on the top with the pending payment orders, and then after that there would be a sorting as per our own choice. So we go to the custom sort. Here I make one more level and I make this as on the top, and here I'll make a payment method. First it will choose on the basis of the payment method, and this time I'm not using the values. This time I'm using the cell color option, and the cell color options I have choose that this color options would become on the top, then on the basis of the t-shirt size, and then on the basis of the serial number. Then it click on OK. We will find then there are on the pending options. There are three sizes where the pending options are still showing the pending. The payment method is still pending. That is small, large and extra large. And then after that, the data is sorted on the basis of small, medium, large and extra large. So this way we have completed the sorting option on the basis of three things. One, on the basis of the normal value of any of the column. Then we have done a sorting on the basis of the custom list. And lastly, we have done the sorting on the basis of the cell column. In my next video, I'm going to explain the concept of filter.